Pretty much on the expected line, Apple has rolled out the macOS 15 Sequoia public beta. So, if you are someone who loves to take on the pre-release macOS features, this guide is for you. That said, follow along to learn how to securely download and install the macOS 15 Sequoia public beta on your Mac. First and foremost, I will recommend you to ensure that your Mac is fully compatible with macOS 15 Sequoia. Here is the list of devices that support macOS 15. iMac 2019 and later, iMac Pro 2017 and later, Mac Studio 2022 and later, MacBook Air 2020 and later, Mac Mini 2018 and later, MacBook Pro 2018 and later, and Mac Pro 2019 and later. After that, ensure that you have fully backed up your Mac. With the latest backup readily available, your precious data will have an extra layer of safeguard against accidental loss. Besides, the backup will also let you go back to the stable version of macOS without any pain either. To do so, open the System Settings app on your Mac. Then select General. After that, choose Time Machine. Then you have to add a backup disk and then follow the usual process to back up your macOS device. Note that if you have never tried the macOS public beta before, you will need to first sign up for Apple Software Beta Program. To do so, open Safari on your Mac and then head over to Apple Beta Program site and then sign up for the public beta program. And once you have taken care of the basics, open the System Settings app on your Mac. Then choose General. After that, select Software Update. Then select Beta Updates. After that, you have to select macOS Sequoia Public Beta and then click on the Update Now button. And then you have to agree to Apple's licensing terms and conditions. After that, follow the usual process to download and install the macOS 15 just like any other update. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can securely download and install macOS 15 Sequoia Public Beta on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.